In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming graphics cards available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the gaming graphics cards mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Yeston RX 7700 XT/7800 XT High Performance Gaming GPU. The Yeston RX 7700 XT/7800 XT is built for enthusiasts and overclockers, featuring PCIe 4.0 x 16 for high-speed connectivity and an 8-to-1 power phase design for stable overclocking. Its dual-ball fans ensure efficient cooling, while full DirectX 12 and ray tracing support deliver stunning visuals. Designed for future-proof gaming, this card balances power and efficiency, making it a great choice for demanding users. Number 4, Halltol RX 580 16GB GDDR5 Gaming Graphics Card. The Halltol RX 580 16GB is an excellent choice for gamers and crypto miners. It features a dual-fan cooling system for optimal heat dissipation, a 6-pin power connector for stable performance, and PCIe 3.0 x 16 for fast data transfer. With 2048 stream processors, it delivers solid gaming performance at a budget-friendly price. Whether you're playing the latest games or mining, this card provides a reliable and efficient experience. Number 3, ASL RTX 3056GB GDDR6 Low-Profile Gaming Card. The ASL RTX 3056GB is a versatile low-profile GPU perfect for gaming and professional tasks. It supports up to 7680 by 4320 resolution for stunning visuals and features PCIe 4.0 x 16 compatibility for future-proof performance. A single-fan cooling system ensures efficient heat management. Ideal for gaming, video editing, and office work, this card delivers smooth and reliable graphics processing in a compact form factor. Number 2, XFX RX 6600 XT 8GB GDDR6 Gaming Graphics Card. The XFX RX 6600 XT is a powerful GPU designed for gaming, video production, and HPC. It features 2048 stream processors for high-performance computing, a high-speed 16,000 MHz memory clock for smooth gaming, and a dual-fan cooling system for efficient heat dissipation. With HDCP support for secure content playback, this card offers excellent value for gamers and professionals seeking reliable performance. Number 1, Yeston RTX 4068GB GDDR6 Gaming Graphics Card. The Yeston RTX 4060 is an ideal GPU for gaming and office work, featuring 8GB GDDR6 memory, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort for high-resolution output. It boasts 3072 stream processors and a high core clock of 1830 MHz for smooth gameplay. Designed for performance and efficiency, this card enhances gaming experiences with advanced rendering and stable frame rates, making it a top choice for various applications.